Hello everyone, how are you today? Tell me, do you like reading short stories? Have you ever tried to compose them? You tried. Okay, that's good. Perfect. So, there is this special type of short stories called mini sagas. Have you ever heard of them? So, what is the main rule of composing them? Great. Yes, mini sagas are short stories that are told in exactly 50 words. Not more, not less. Okay, so today we're going to read some mini sagas and discuss them first, and then you'll try to write your own. Okay, perfect. So now please let's open our books on page 28. Here we have four mini sagas. We need to read them and match them with their titles, okay? So, Kate, please read the first one. Good. So, what is the best title for it? Actually, I think it can be, but the other one matches it a little bit better. In the cards. Yes, right. So, what was this story about, Andre? Great. Okay, so let's read the second one. Anna? What is the best title for it? Generation gap. Right. So, what is this? What is generation gap? What does this expression mean? Yes, yes. And we usually use it to talk about difficulties in the relationships between parents and their children, right? Okay, good. Yes, let's read the third story. Yes, perfect. Okay, so what is the best title for this one? Meeting the boss. Yeah, so who turned out to be the boss? Yes, the dog. Yeah, isn't this funny? Great, perfect. So, what about the first story, Sergey? Okay, good intentions. Yes, very good. Why is it called like this? Yes, great, perfect. So now, guys, I want you to work in pairs. Does everyone have a pair? Okay, so you need to reread these stories, read them again, and then tell them in your own words to your partner. So read and retell in your own words. So please do it. And I will be going around and helping you if necessary. Great, guys, you did awesome. So now we need to transfer to the writing part of our lesson. You already know that you will need to write your own mini sagas. But I understand how hard it is sometimes to overcome a writer's block. That's why we're going to use some technology that's going to help you with that. Okay? Perfect. So this technology is called plot generator. There you will need to insert some basic information about your plot, about your preferred characters, etc. So what else can be the basic information? A title, yes, very good. Sergey, the setting. Yeah, the setting is very important. So you need to think about where the story is going to take place, etc. So after you insert this important information, you will get a suggestion of a plot for your story. Isn't this exciting? Good. So please open the plot generator's website, choose short story, and then insert this information. After you do that, you will need to write the first draft of your story. And this time, don't worry about the number of words. You just need to write as much as you can, as much as you need. And then please give it to your peer to review it and also to give you some suggestions. And then after it, we'll try to shorten it to make it a real mini saga. Okay, good, let's do this. Okay, so please go to the plot generator's website, press short story, and there you will see this questionnaire. The first point is the title. So how are you going to name your story? Is it going to be named after the protagonist, the main character, right? Or the secondary character, or an object, or the weather, the place where it all happens, or random? Do you know what random is? Yeah, it's gonna be the name that is not too obvious. Yes, that is not necessarily connected to the plot strongly. I know a lot of books and stories that are called like this, don't you? Okay, so then we have the opening, the conflict, the resolution. What is the resolution? Yes, it's the ending. How you want your story to end. Yeah, very good. So then you're a protagonist, and you have this button that is called suggest. So if you press it, the system is going to suggest you the name of the character. If you're not sure what you're going to call your character, you need to press this button. And you can see that you have this button in all the further questions. So if you're not sure, just press suggest and it's going to help you. Okay? So please start doing it.